Okay. So after the whole ghost yokatta incident, and then remembering my tattoo would be a problem for the ohn sen, things have been a little quiet. Yeah. See? Quiet. I feel like I keep messing things up. So, I got something.
へ
Eeto. It means, I wanted to. Here. これあなたに. It means, this is for you. I rehearsed that. It means, this is for you.
私に
Hai. It means yes. It's not a big deal. Just open it.
開けてもいいの
She's asking if it's okay to open. Of course it is.
わあ、綺麗な風呂敷。あ、この柄。
She said it's a beautiful furoshiki, which is a traditional wrapping cloth. And she noticed the pattern.
亀さん。
Kame. It means turtle. Yeah, turtles. I know my tattoo has been a problem. I felt really bad about the ohn sen.
ビル。
ごめんなさい. It means I'm sorry. I'm sorry. For all the trouble.
うん、ビルのせいじゃないよ。
She said it's not my fault, but it feels like it sometimes. これはプレゼントです. It means this is a present. So, this is a present, but it's also an explanation.
説明
僕の気持ちです. It means it's my feeling. That means it's my feeling, or my sentiment. The tattoo isn't about being tough. It's about patience and carrying your home with you. It has a good meaning. A good meaning. So I wanted to give you the good meaning, without the trouble. わかってください. It means please understand. This is a really important one. It means please understand.
わかってるよ。ずっと。
She said, I know. I always have.
日本で亀は長寿のシンボル。すごく縁起がいいものなんだよ。
She said in Japan, turtles are a symbol of long life. That they're very good luck. 本当? It means, really? I didn't even know that. I just picked it because I liked it.
だから、すごく嬉しい。
She said, so I'm very happy. Yokatta. It means, that's good. Oh, good. I was so nervous.
プレゼントも嬉しいけど、その気持ちが一番嬉しい。
Kimochi. It means feeling. She said the gift makes her happy. But the feeling behind it, that makes her the happiest.
ありがとう、ビル。
Arigatou. It means thank you. She's thanking me. What do I say? Oh, right. どういたしまして. It means you're welcome. The formal way to say, you're welcome. And now, she's quiet again. But it's a different kind of quiet. I think.